Hello guys, today I'll be reviewing the new Hue Dimmer Switch. So what this dimmer switch is this allows you to control your smart lights. It's a usually you have to use third-party app systems to use this dimmer switch, but now like smart switches, but now you can just mount this right on it, and it's a first-party solution. Yep, so it is a dimmer switch. You can dim your Hue lights. You can place it anywhere, and you can also use it as a remote control. And it uses Zigbee communication, which is a slow but convenient mesh network. I like Zigbee anyway. So let's open it. Okay, so I got this thing. So by opening it, I can tell that the Hue Dimmer Switch comes with a plate. Let's open this part. There we go. Now some instruction manuals. An instruction manual on how to mount it. See? Okay. But I'm a smart kid. Don't need an instruction manual. And then you get this thing. You get the Hue Dimmer Switch right here. Like so, pretend that that's the light bulb. I can turn it on, dim up, dim down, turn off. Okay, so let me get another one to show you the comparison. Okay, so here's a comparison. This is an old dimmer switch. I don't need the plate because I had one of these, but I lost it. So now we're gonna get another one. And here's the plate, magnetic plate. So what you do is you take the plate and then you mount it up here, like that. But we're not gonna do that. As you can see, I already have a plate. So the plate is here, and I'll be mounting the dimmer switch here. So you can see there's a plastic tab. So what you want to do is start up the Hue app. You want to download the Hue Singify app. So let's plug in the phone, and then put in our fingerprint. Now you want to go to Hue, go to settings, accessory setup, and then you'll come here. See, oh my god, I'm bringing into this menu. Maybe like this. Okay, so what you want to do is so when you get the Hue Dimmer Switch, you have to set it up first. If you don't, well, there are two ways. First, you can have direct setup. That means you point it at a light bulb, hold it for like 10 seconds, and it'll pair directly. Or you can do hub connection. So what you want to do is go to the accessory setup, press add one, and then you're gonna press Hue Dimmer Switch. There we go, Hue Dimmer Switch. Now it's gonna ask you to pull the red tab or whatever tab it's colored. So what I want to do is take out the protective cover, and now you want to take out the plastic tab, like take it out. So what you gotta do is take it out, and then it should be starting. It should start to, the LED should start to blink. LED is blinking. It'll start searching for the dimmer switch. There you go. Searching. If you don't find it, you can press down the setup. But now it's connected, we can press continue setup. I'm gonna place this in office. Okay. Okay, there you go, press. And then let's press done. now let's customize it. I'm gonna name this office switch. So, oops. Oh, my phone ran out of batteries. But now I'm gonna demonstrate it. So let's go over to the office. So let's turn off. Hope that works. Turn on. Wow. 100%. So that's good. I said I like it. And so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye, guys.